Hi y'all, Darla here, Growing Tropical. Welcome back to the third video where I finish up decorating my front porch for fall. And as excited as I was about transforming my porch with these beautiful flowers in my window box, I'm just as excited about putting some fall decor up on the porch just to give it that added little pop. So anyway, what I want to do is from the last video, when I was actually planting up these plants in my window box, I had mentioned, I think, in the video that I was going to maybe put some extra things in this box, like maybe some begonias. And actually, as I was looking at it, I thought, you know what? I don't really think it needs a whole lot of anything else in the box. So what I did was I did find some absolutely beautiful, I call them standard begonias. They're just kind of like your garden variety that you see out like in the landscapes. They get, you know, about 12 inches tall, and you see them, they're like usually in red or like an orangey red or like white. I'm looking over there because I found some beautiful ones that they mimic like an orangey white, not an orangey white, orangey red. And I was hoping to be able to find something like that just to kind of incorporate it. And so what I did was, I'm going to bring the camera up and show you guys what I did here. I actually underplanted these beautiful begonias underneath my chefalera. If you remember, these are the ones that I actually repotted in the 20-inch ceramic pots that I got from Sam's Club. But I thought they would look so pretty, just, whoops, that branch goes right in the way. I thought they would look so pretty just underplanted all around the bottom of the chefalera. And I did the same thing with these guys over here. I went ahead and I just put that little bit of pop of color with these really, really pretty begonias. You can see they have just such a pretty, like a reddish orange bloom on them. And I just thought it would be just really pretty to give that little extra added pop that the porch might need with some color. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead. Oh my goodness, that motorcycle is so loud. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. He's going to rev it up at any minute, I can tell. Okay, so anyway, I think you guys can probably hear me now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to probably time lapse this as the video goes on, and just kind of, I'm going to just start putting some things in, because honestly, I just have a whole bunch of things that I'm going to start using, and I don't necessarily know that I'm going to use them all as far as my decorations are concerned. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start just putting some things up on the porch, and just nestling some things in, and we'll just, after I'm all finished, I mean, you guys will be able to see it or whatever. We're probably going to like time lapse it, like I said, on film. But what I'm going to do is, after it's all finished, then I'm going to just kind of come back and just revisit the whole porch as a whole. So anyway, let's go ahead and let's start decorating for fall. Okay, I am sweating so profusely. Again, I always keep saying South Florida, zone 10. It is like about 87 degrees out here. We do have a little bit of a breeze tonight, but I'm enjoying this very, very much because I know, again, fall is around the corner. But what do you guys think? Does it look nice? I love being able to do stuff like this because when I can just put it together, it just makes me feel inspired, I guess, to just keep going forward. And so I just love it. It doesn't take a whole lot. I just put a couple little things over here, just kind of a little secret. I don't know how other people do it, but on these bales of hay that you get, I believe I got these on sale. They were like 50% off at Michael's, and they come wrapped like in the plastic wrap, and you guys probably might have been seeing me pull off like tags or whatever on them and flipping them over so you couldn't see like the manufacturer name and everything. I leave the plastic wrap on because a couple of years, well, several years ago, I actually took the plastic wrap off, and oh my gosh, I had just like straw all over my porch if we had like little windy days or something, and I thought they stay much cleaner, and honestly, I don't think you notice a big difference with it or anything like that. So I just leave the plastic on because I just think it makes it look cleaner. So anyway, just kind of a FYI for your information type thing. But the little pumpkins that I have, the little jack-o'-lantern pumpkins, and then the gourd pumpkin that I have there. If you guys might remember, I bought that at the bamboo farm that we went. That was a couple of videos ago. But anyway, what I did was I bought string lights, and they are on timers. And I love that they do this now because I just took them. I bought orange and white. I wrapped them around actually my wreath. I have them in the gourd and I have them in these two pumpkins, but I just crammed them all in there. They took like 3 AAA batteries, and I set the timer, and they come on at like 8 o'clock at night, and they go off. I think these guys run for like about 6 hours, so I don't have to remember to do that, which is so nice, but it illuminates the porch really, really nice. I was debating whether or not I wanted to do like a wreath up here, but I didn't want to take away from the window box, so and I might do something like that. I don't know. Probably not. But you know how it is when you're doing stuff like this. You kind of look a couple days later and you go, hey, I think a wreath would look good up there. So I don't know. Probably not. But anyway, I just love when you're putting stuff like this together. And I love illuminating the porch with lights. That's why I like Christmas so much, because I love putting everything together with the lights. But we can do it for the fall months too, with wrapping our wreaths with our fall wreaths and stuff with the lights just as well. So anyway, again, I am super excited to be able to finish this project up because I really want to get moving on the rest of the yard. Again, it's just been so hot, and even though it's a little breezy out there right now, the breeze is like really warm too. But anyway, you guys, it's been great. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the 3 videos that I put together here showing this transformation of the front porch. I am super thrilled with my window boxes, and go in on wayfair.com and check out these window boxes because they are so pretty, and I just think they're just going to add such a pretty visual interest to the front of our house. So again, it's been a lot of fun. Thank you for joining me, and until the next video, guys, bye for now.